welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when the Microsoft Store is not opening. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is go to your search bar and then you want to type in their store. You'll see that the best match is Microsoft Store. What you want to do is you want to right click on that and then go to app settings. This will open up system components, Microsoft Store. And then what you want to do is you want to you can see here that it says terminate. Okay, so click on to terminate and that will quickly just terminate the Microsoft Store. And then you'll see here it says reset and repair. You want to click on repair. That'll just take a quick moment to repair. As you can see, there's a check mark when it is complete, and then you want to click on reset and click on reset. Okay, that will also take a moment, and now you can see that has been reset. Then what you can do is you can go to your search bar, you can type in store, and then you want to click on Microsoft Store and see if it opens up. Okay, if it's still not working, what you want to do is you want to go to the search bar, you want to type in settings and click on settings, and then what you want to do is you want to go to time and language, and you want to make sure and you want to click on date and time, and you want to make sure that set time zone automatically is actually turned on. Okay, so you want to turn that on, and then you want to make sure that set time automatically is also on. Okay, and those are the two settings that are very important to be able to go ahead and make sure the Microsoft Store works. Then you want to go to Windows Update and you want to go and click on check for updates. It'll quickly check for any sort of Microsoft Windows updates, and if there is an update available, you want to update to the latest version. So make sure you update your laptop to the latest version. Then you want to go back to settings, you want to type in store. Okay, and then see if it opens up. Okay, if it's still not working, what you want to do is go to search and you want to go to PowerShell. You want to type PowerShell and you want to go to Windows PowerShell. Okay, actually you want to close that. You want to type in PowerShell and you want to right click on it and run it as administrator. Click on yes on that pop-up. This will open up the Windows PowerShell, and you just want to paste in this command right here, which is get app package Microsoft Windows Store reset. I'll leave this linked up in the description down below. You want to just click on enter, and then that's complete, and then you can go back and type store and see if the Microsoft Store works. And you can also try to click the power button and restart your machine. Okay, if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.